Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making a mug brownie Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin! If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So this is the ingredients that we need for our mug brownie. Firstly, in a jar, add half a cup of flour. Then goes in 3 tablespoons of sugar. After that, add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Now mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly. Add half a cup of water to the dry ingredients. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now stir all the ingredients thoroughly to make sure there's no lumps in the mixture. Now add the brownie mixture in any mug that you can microwave.
I'm hungry.
Now microwave the brownie for 1 minute. The power of my microwave is 900 watts, which is the highest. Here we are after 1 minute, our brownie is ready. Now what's a brownie without ice cream? So add ice cream and decorate as you wish. I'm also decorating with some berries. Enjoy your brownie! I can't wait to try it!
I'm hungry.